Hello, I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Antulio Lopez, and today I wanted to share a short update on how we turned this bathroom to this bathroom. You see, it turned really beautiful. The customer is very happy with it. We can't tell enough words how she's very or how they are very happy. Very beautiful, very lovely. So we got a new toilet, a new vanity with a beautiful countertop, medicine cabinet, shower door, bypass door. Of course, we got a rain shower head set, and of course, we got a handicap grabs. We got a beautiful niche, completely awesome shower floor with the new wall tiles would look like, porcelain floor and a blue light, light blue color for the walls. Let's take a look from, the beginning, from demolition, something like that, and then to this. So let's get started. Stay tuned. Here is an overview of the bathroom, how it was before. So they had a bathtub. We had to convert it into a walk-in shower. Of course, there was no shower door before. We had to run the wall tiles all the way up to the ceiling. So basically, we had to do like a complete gut of the bathroom, taking out the drywall, the bathtub. We had to do like a waterproof the bathroom, using cement boards. Here's a technician installing the wall tiles. Here we have complete the shower floor. So here is another overview like of the finished floor. We use a porcelain would look like tile. It's a tremendous beautiful floor. And here is the completed or finished shower with a beautiful seat inside. Another overview of the finished bathroom before the toilet or vanity. Here is the finished shower floor. Terrific, very beautiful. And here is an overview of the finished bathroom. Nice vanity, beautiful toilet, beautiful floor. And here is an overview of the inside of the shower. We had on the right side we had a niche, and in the middle, of course, the other side we have a rain shower head, handicap grabs. Customer selected the color so they match the color, so it's beautiful. They have beautiful selections. And of course we have a short video. Let's watch it. It's beautiful how it turned it. They had a light blue color on the walls. Beautiful medicine cabinet. The bypass door. Here's the vanity. Beautiful. Alright guys, I hope you like the video. So if you do, please give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. We'll see you on next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Take care so much. Bye.